In today's video, I will show you how to fix Messenger messages not syncing. When your chats stop updating, it can be incredibly frustrating, but most of the time it is just a minor communication lag between your device and the server. Messenger processes over 100 billion messages every single day, so a brief data clog is actually pretty common. You can usually clear out those basic temporary glitches with a few quick troubleshooting steps. Start by force closing the Messenger app by swiping it up from your recent apps, and then restart your phone or computer to give it a fresh slate. Next, try toggling your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure your signal is completely stable. If it is still acting up, you can prompt a fresh server sync by opening the app, going into your settings, and logging out of all your active sessions before logging right back in. It is also a good idea to check your device's app store to make sure you are running the latest version of Messenger. Now, if those basic steps do not do the trick, the issue is likely tied to Meta's default end-to-end encryption setup. Because this security feature locks your chat history to keep it private, sync issues usually stem from a stuck or misconfigured secure storage backup. To fix this, you will want to reset your security pin using a device that currently holds your correct, up-to-date messages. Open Messenger on that device, go to Menu, then Settings, and tap Privacy and Safety. From there, click on End-to-End Encrypted Chats, and then tap Message Storage. Tap Reset PIN and create a new 4 to 6-digit number, then go back, click on More Options, and toggle AutoSync on. If the sync still seems a bit stubborn after that, you can re-establish the connection by temporarily turning off secure storage and then turning it right back on to force a brand new sync with the servers. And that's it. That's how you fix Messenger messages not syncing.